Hue, Vietnam is a vibrant city full of history and culture. But more importantly, there's an abandoned water park right outside the city waiting to be explored. We only have one full day here, so everything you're gonna see in this video you can do in one day. It's gonna be busy, but it's gonna be fun. I have no idea where I am right now. Alright, good morning everyone from the Imperial City here in Hue. Hue used to be the capital city of Vietnam from 1802 to 1945. It was really nice roaming the grounds without barely anyone there, and even though it was only 7 AM, it was already so hot. The entry fee to the Imperial Palace is 200,000 dong. This is the Imperial Palace. I mean, look, this is really cool. Look at that amount of detail. Crazy. Guys, this is easily the best thing I've seen so far. At the Imperial City, I gotta go so bad. And I haven't even had any coffee. We made it to the Incense Village here in Hue. As you can see, it's very pretty, very colorful. My friend on the grab bike over there, he just dropped me off at his friend's incense store, and she came out and she was like, "Oh, incense for you, incense, incense here, come have a look inside, come have a look." Okay.
Hey, you. Supporting you.
Oh, very good.
Okay, bravo.
Look, it's very pretty, it's very colorful. It's basically just this street though, so it's up and down this road. Alright friends, we made it to destination number 3. The abandoned water park. This is it, the famous entrance to the abandoned water park. That looks crazy. So the park was only opened 20 years ago in 2004. But it had already been abandoned by 2006 because of a lack of customers. $3 million investment down the drain. Alright guys, we're inside the mouth. As you can see, this beautiful view over the river. It's real quiet, like there's some people on the bridge there, but honestly there's no one here. I didn't even notice these the first time I walked by. We love an octopus. Look at this thing. These trees are actually not trees. It's just styrofoam with like a cement block in the middle. Look, a cow. So I just read that technically this place is illegal to visit, but they are building a new road towards it, so I don't know. Alright everyone, good morning once again from the water park. So I actually completely missed this place yesterday. I only went to the Dragon, and so I saw online that there was a whole section with pools and slides and everything, so I had to go check it out. So that's what we're doing this morning, and yeah, got up at 6:30 because I have a tour that starts at 8:30. So yeah, nice and early. This here would have been some sort of lazy river. This would have been more like the kiddie pool. As you can see, there's a little play structure. You know, being here really makes you think what could have been, you know? People could have had a resort pool between the palm trees with slides. Could have been beautiful. This video was brought to you by Surfshark VPN. Here's some facts about the pagoda. It was built in 1601, and the big octagonal. The building's an octagon, okay? That tower is 7 stories tall, stands at 21 meters, and was built in 1844. Look guys, they use real hair for the beard. This place is absolutely stunning. It's very quiet, there's very little people here, which is great, obviously. It's very clean, it's very colorful. Yeah, just very nice. Let me show you the bonsai area, I think. This one is epic. I love it when they have like a little rock structure underneath. I need to get me one of those selfie sticks. Look at that. This place is clearly very popular with tourists. I mean, you could fault them. It's very pretty. Guys, this place is crazy. There is so much stuff. So much stuff. Like whether you want bananas or spices or like any drink you can think of, basically. Crazy. There is just such an incredible abundance of everything. This is where it all happens, ladies and gentlemen. This is the fish and meat section of the biggest market here in Hue. Like, some of these things I have no idea what I'm looking at. This is crazy. We've got octopus, squid. Bless you. Dude, holy moly. Guys, I can't even properly capture it, but there are shoes everywhere. You know, you can absolutely get lost here. I have no idea where I am right now. So I found this place on Google and I hope it's good. It had good reviews, but we're just walking down like some alleyway, so fingers crossed. We found it. Whew. Guys, this place is so cute. And I'm the only person here, can you believe it? I got a neck coffee and a mango smoothie. Yes. Oh. I'm exhausted. I need some food.
I just wanted to give a quick shout out to the best burger stand in Hue, Big Bite Bun. They're so cheap and so good. I can also recommend staying at Vietnam Backpacker Hostel. It's relatively cheap and they have great beds.
Alright, this is gonna be my room for the next 2 days. They said it was really quiet, so I think we're gonna have the place to ourselves, which is great.
One of the easiest ways to get to Hue is by sleeper bus. Pay the extra money for the Sleeper 22, it is so worth it, especially if you're my height.
This is what life is like in Vietnam when you're 6'5". You know, during the day this bridge really doesn't look that interesting or special, but it really comes to life at night.